I want to get more. I want to get 10,000, 15, 50,000 subscribers. I need your help. Well, I'm wearing my lucky bow tie, and that means, yes, we did it. We hit 50,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. Woohoo!
It's insane. 50,000 subscribers. It's only been about a year that we had 5,000. So a jump from 5,000 to 50,000 subscribers is an incredible feat. Thank you all for subscribing to our channel, for liking our videos, for sharing them with friends and family, for commenting down below. Thank you. It's all because of you that we're here at 50,000, but we're looking to go to 100,000 subscribers.
Yes, that's our goal in 2018. We want to make it to 100,000 subscribers, but we need your help. It's all gonna be so much better. But again, we thank you for your support. And again, don't forget, you're visiting Miami, you can come by and see the actual showroom where it all happens, right here at the Digital Goja showrooms. Come say hello to Adam and me. Happy shooting.
3, 2, 1. I'm wearing my lucky bow tie, and that means we did it. We hit 50,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. What are you doing? Why are you making weird noises? I'm wearing my lucky bow tie. Guess what that means, folks? We hit it. We did 50,000 subscribers on YouTube. I can't believe that. Yay! We have to do this video again? What? No, we're not.
Happy shooting.
Happy shooting. Happy shooting. 3, 2, 1.
Happy shooting. Wait, did you say?
1, 2, 3. 2 ED elephants. Elephants. Now we're going to go into tripod features. Now we're not going to go into tripod features. Don't forget to hit me up with a like button underneath and to subscribe and to subscribe and to subscribe and to subscribe.
Each other. It's going to very securely be attached to your. It's going to be very securely attached to your. This is very securely.
And bring beer. Obviously, we're going to have to do another take because here the flash didn't go off.
You don't have the cable on the right one.
So it's at a weird angle.
No, you have to reverse it.
That'll be a customer service.